Welcome! Today I'm finally building my CNC machine. I'll start off with these photos to showcase the set of materials I used in this project. What you're seeing right now are some sets of 2040, 2060, 2080 aluminum extrusions. I chose these materials because they're straight and it doesn't require drilling to join pieces together, which makes it easier. And for the electronics, I'm going to use an Arduino Uno topped with a CNC shield and a Raspberry Pi 4. And while I start assembling these parts together, it'll be difficult for me to take a video since alignments and squareness is crucial, so I just hope you enjoy watching. Thanks! So I'm going to start checking the alignment for the X-axis assembly, and as you can see, it's misaligned by about 0.05 millimeters, which is really accurate. Remember that a hair, the thickness of a hair is about 0.40 millimeters. This is the X-axis assembly you saw earlier, and now I'm going to finish assembling the rest of the X-axis. So I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you're still here. This is the base of the machine. Now it's important that this is squared and flat. And by the way, this base assembly is also home to the Y-axis assembly. It's the one that moves the material forwards and backwards. Here I'm placing the drop-in T-nuts and screwing the MGM12 linear guide rails to its final position.